before we even do that, let's just fix this over here. So if I press H to hide the nails, you see that we don't have holes going inside of here. What I'll do, press Alt H to show them again. Probably have these go to viewport, this tab, and then go to the viewport display, and then probably change this display as to wire, so we can see where they enter. And then while I have my beast selected, I'm going to go to sculpt mode, and then I'm going to go to clay strips, press F to increase the brush size. So where it enters, I want to create a hole to create that ambient occlusion. Hold on Control to decrease the brush size a tad. Hold on Control, I'm just going to dig in like that. Not too much, just to create that ambient occlusion, just show that these nails are actually entering inside. I might have went a bit overboard, so decrease the brush size a bit, and then come in. I'm just using a mouse for this one. Okay, should smooth that out. Come on over here. Let me zoom in close. And just dig in like so. And also over here. And lastly on this side. And I'll press Ctrl R. And over here also, just gonna wing it. So, and over here, just dig that in. And vice versa, and over here, and also here. That, and then Ctrl R again to remesh. Go back to object mode, select these and change it back to textured. Might look like an overkill. Select the beast, and I'm just gonna Shift H to show it alone, as you can see, like that. So just checking our model before we even retopologize, checking if everything is okay. So see you guys in the next one where we start with retopology. Sorry about that. Thank you guys for your time. See you guys in the next one.